Hello and welcome to Governance, Risk Management and Compliance channel. On this channel, we share the conceptual videos related to GRC. In this video, we will discuss the important compliance areas related to California Consumer Privacy Act, that is also known as CCPA. If you are applying for the jobs in the United States, in the organizations or institutions on which the CCPA is applicable, so this video will help you for preparation of your interview questions and answers. We will discuss some very important areas. We will not discuss the whole legislation. So let's start. So the interviewer may be interested to know your level of knowledge about the important areas of CCPA. So the question might be, what are some important areas of CCPA? So listen carefully my response. You will say that the California Consumer Privacy Act prescribes certain areas for the organizations and institutions to comply with, which includes the privacy rights of the individuals and employees and citizens. And the data sharing related clauses are covered in the legislation. Similarly, contractual arrangements with vendors related areas are also covered. So your answer would be including these points that I told you here. The question two would be, what do you know about the privacy rights? So this is one of the key requirements of the CCPA, and your answer would be divided into access, delete, and rectify. You have to cover these important elements in the answers. And what do you know about the privacy rights? So the answer would be, the organizations or businesses or institutions gaining or obtaining the information of the consumers or the people on which the CCPA is applicable, then the consumer should be given the right to access the information they have provided. The consumer would be given the right to delete their information with the organization or institution to which the information is submitted, and the consumer will also be given the right to rectify their information with the organization or institution that collected the information. So the privacy rights related answer would cover access, delete, and rectify. Now let's move on to the next question. Please subscribe the channel if you want to listen these types of videos and watch the conceptual GRC videos. We have uploaded various videos on this channel. You can watch the videos on the playlist of the channel or one by one as you prefer. We have covered anti-money laundering compliance, operational risk management, and cybersecurity related videos are also there. Interview series are also compiled in the form of the whole playlist, so you can watch that. So let's come back to the question 3. What do you understand by the disclosure practices? So this is very important question related to CCPA that may be asked, and again the answer should be divided in what, why, and how. So the disclosure practices should be related to what, why, and how. The institutions and organizations or businesses on which CCPA is applicable are required to understand what information they are collecting, why they are collecting the information from the consumers, and how they will be using the information provided by the consumer. So these 3 points must be understood and complied with by the organizations and institutions. So the disclosure practices include what information is to be obtained, why or to be obtained, which includes the purpose of obtaining the information. The organization or businesses must be clear about the purpose of obtaining the information and how the information that is received from the consumer would be utilized by the institution or organization. So these were the few areas of the CCPA. I hope you have carefully listened this video, and you can again watch the other GRC videos. Please mention the important topics in the comments below. I will be covering the videos related to those topics which you will prescribe me, and you can watch the important interview series that I have uploaded on the channel, and that will help you if you are applying for jobs in the governance, risk management, or compliance domains. So again, please subscribe the channel and like and share the videos with your colleagues and friends, and thank you for watching.